In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do velocity on Capcut for the year 2025. If you've ever wanted to add some dynamic speed variations to your video clips, then you're in the right place. It's a straightforward process and I'm here to guide you through each step, ensuring you can create those stunning effects with ease. First up, let's open Capcut on your device. Once you're in the app, you'll want to tap on New Project. This is where your creative journey begins. Starting a new project ensures that you're working with a clean slate and can focus solely on the edits you'll be making. Now, it's time to import your video. Head over to your device's gallery and select the video clip you want to edit. Capcut allows you to quickly pull in your media, making it super convenient to get started on your editing. Once your video is loaded onto the timeline, go ahead and select that video clip. This step is crucial because it tells Capcut exactly which piece of media you'd like to apply your adjustments and effects to. Next, you'll see a menu at the bottom of your screen. Here, you'll want to tap on Speed. This option is where the magic happens and you'll unlock the possibilities for velocity effects. Choosing velocity effects is your next move. Once you're in, you'll discover a range of velocity options. This is where you can really start to play around with different effects, giving your video that added flair. Now don't hesitate to experiment, tap on any of the effects that catch your eye. The app allows you to make adjustments based on your preference, so feel free to tweak until you achieve the desired look. Testing out different effects is all part of the fun. Remember, you can always adjust as you go, making it easy to get the perfect outcome. Once you're satisfied with the effect you've chosen, it's time to apply it. To do this, simply tap on the check mark. This step ensures that the effect is locked in and applied to your video, solidifying all your hard work. Finally, let's export your creation. To share your finished masterpiece, tap on the export icon. Capcut will process your video with the new velocity effects, ready for you to save or share with the world. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to master velocity effects in Capcut in just a few minutes. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating captivating video content that stands out. Enjoy expressing your creativity and happy editing.